Today, let's talk about a vital organ but that goes unnoticed but plays a crucial role in keeping us healthy, the liver. I am Dr. Gawtham. I am here to talk to you about why it's important to love your liver. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, process nutrients, and regulate the metabolism. But poor lifestyle choices can lead to liver damage. Factors like alcohol abuse, unhealthy diet, and lack of exercise can put strain on your liver and can lead to serious conditions like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or even liver cancer. But the good news is you can take steps to protect your liver and keep it healthy. Simple lifestyle changes like balanced diet, regular exercises, limiting alcohol intake, and avoiding smoking can go a long way to keep your liver healthy. Here at Kauvery Hospital, our expert team is dedicated to care for your liver. From screenings and preventive care to advanced treatment, we are here to help you to step in all the ways. Love your liver because a healthy liver means a healthier you. Kauvery Hospital, caring for you always. Schedule your liver health care at Kauvery Hospital, Vadapalani today.